Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be installing some LED fog lights in my 2011 Nissan Xterra. I did a video a couple years back installing some from a different company and haven't had any issues with them, but those were some LED white fog lights. And really and truly, I don't love the look of white LED fog lights on a vehicle. Even though they match the white LED headlights, I like the contrast between white and yellow. On my old Lexus GS, I ran LED headlights and yellow fog lights, and I'm wanting to do the same thing on the Xterra. So I found these on Amazon. They're pretty highly rated. They're from a company called ALLA lighting, and these are H11 yellow LED fog lights. So I'll be very interested to see how these things look. Should be a fairly simple installation procedure. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, before we get into the installation, I just wanted to show you what the current setup is. So you can see we have an LED headlight right up there, LED turn signal and running light right there, LED corner lamp, and LED fog light right there, matching the headlight up there. So nothing wrong with the fog lights. They're really nice, really bright. Everything's great about them, except for the color. So again, that's what I'm after. Want to see what that yellow color looks like on this truck. I think it'll look awesome. So without further ado, let's get into the actual install.
Alright, so we are here kind of in the middle of the truck, looking towards the passenger side. And you can see right up in there is a nice little access way to get to your fog light. So it's going to be difficult for me to get the camera and my hand in there, so I apologize for crappy camera work while I'm getting the fog light out, but I want to show you as best as possible. So if you reach up in there, and I have to scoop myself a little bit closer as well, you'll be able to reach the fog light, turn a little bit counterclockwise, and pull it right out. And you can see it hanging right in there. I know the bulb's a little bit low and you can't exactly see that, but you can see the wiring harness hanging loose. So where you're going for is right up there, wiring harness is right there, and that's really all there is to it, at least on the passenger side. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the fog light out to where you can see it and show you how to change it from there, and then we'll take a look and see what the final product looks like.
Alrighty, so this is what one of the fog lights looks like. It's a very simple H11 style bulb, like I mentioned before. The way that you install these, you essentially just push it into the socket and turn righty-tighty to tighten it into place. It kind of keys in and it just locks into place. Connector-wise, unfortunately I can't show you how to disconnect this in the vehicle because the wiring harness is so tucked up into the fender well, I can't get the camera and my hands in there both. But, quick walkthrough, the plug is keyed, just a simple 2-prong plug, and the way that you disconnect it, at least on the Xterra for that H11 plug, is by lifting a tab on this side of the connector. So even though the connector is coming in from this way, the tab that you're lifting is over here. You're going to get your thumb or finger in there, lift it up, and kind of push the connector off of the bulb. Once you've done that, you should be able to just snap the new bulb into place, twist and lock it, and you'll be good to go. So we're going to go ahead, throw this bulb in, throw the other bulb in, and we'll come back and see what the finished product looks like. Okay, so here's the finished product. We have the LED fog light bulbs in. They look a lot whiter on video than they are in person. They are a pretty darn yellow in person. Definitely lighter shade than the orange that you see up above it. I think you can tell that much in video. But the little bit that you see kind of around the bumper area there, that's the color that the whole bulb looks in real life. So it doesn't look white like you're seeing on camera. Super yellow. I'm very happy with the way that these look. That's the look I'm going after. It's all personal preference. So if you like the yellow, great, buy some yellow bulbs. If not, then there's plenty of other options out there for you as well. So, like I said, I'm happy with the result. I'll keep you guys posted in the comments as to the longevity of these. I've had good luck with some LED bulbs, bad luck with others. This is the first time I'm trying this brand, so we'll see what happens. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.